Hello and welcome to this juggling tutorial. We're starting this series to teach you how to maintain your fire props and how to get the most lifetime out of it. We're starting today with how to fix fire wicks. I got with me this contact staff, very old and very damaged fire wick. I will show you how to glue it, how to put it back together, how to cut the frays that are too degraded, and how to get the most lifetime out of it. Okay, first very important step is going to be to cut out the frays. This can be done regularly with normal scissors. Just cut everything that sticks out or that looks damaged to avoid further degradation. Now that this is done, we're gonna be able to go to the next step, the most important one. You will need wood glue. This glue is very important for fire props making. It's a special type of wood glue called PVA wood glue or vinylic wood glue. It's available on the websites and in every hardware store. It's very fire resistant, and we use it for any prop making or maintaining. And now the glue, very important step. This glue is non-toxic, so do not worry about getting it onto your hands, it's not a problem. As you can see on my wick, which is very damaged, there are some broken ropes, which I'm trying to lift up to get the glue under it, so the rope will stick again to the wick and regain some density. Once this is done, we are gonna apply rope on top of the less damaged rope, but have a layer open or such, so you can have a few points of glue and then tap them into the rope with your hands. That way they will degrade much slower and gain some more lifetime. And same again here, a little bit more. Once again, I have a very damaged wick in front of me. Make sure you don't cover the entire wick in glue, otherwise you're gonna lose absorbance. I'm trying to prioritize the edges or the ones that have taken the most damage. The most damaged ropes, you can have glue under and above. We need it to stick to the rope that's under it, and we also need the outside layer that will be vulnerable to drops and impacts to also be protected by a layer of glue. And now the final step after the glue, it's not necessary all the time. If you've just had a few frays to put back together, it's not necessary. But if you had some loose rope and some weaker density, and if you've put some glue under the Kevlar to make it stick again together, now is the final step with the kitchen wrap. So you take it, do a little throw, and now we're ready to wrap our wick, which is gonna make it all tight and dry together and really make it much stronger. So we're gonna just a few layers of it on top of the Kevlar. It needs to be rather tight, but it's not very hard with this material. Try to tense it. Try to go in the different directions. Do not need more than this. Make sure it's tight all around. I recommend to not play with your staff for at least 2 or 3 days. The glue is gonna take a little bit to dry. Just let it rest and gently remove it. The glue will not stick to this type of plastic, so you won't have any problem removing it. And in 3 or 4 days, it's ready to go again. Thank you very much for listening. We hope it was useful. If you have any sort of question about your particular case, send us some pictures, send us a mail, and we'll be very happy to assist you. We're also in all the big European festivals, EJC, Phoenix, and Rostouch. Please bring us your props. We're very keen to help and to look at it with you. Until next time, have a great day.